This is David St. John, facing multiple charges in Houston, Texas, including aggravated assault.
You are charged with the felony offenses of felon in possession of and aggravated assault of a older than but younger than 17.
In a startling outburst, St. John disrupted the courtroom proceedings. As the judge turned his attention elsewhere, St. John directed chilling words to a man in the gallery.
La orden aquí en la sala de audiencia.
After you sign the order.
In a shocking move, St. John threw a punch, only to be quickly restrained by an officer. Yet he still continued taunting.
Okay, hit the panic button. Call someone.
Sit down, man. Sit down.
In the end, despite the courtroom chaos, St. John received 2 25-year sentences for his crimes. Bessman Okafor was convicted of murdering 19-year-old Alex Zavar in Florida, a cold act committed to prevent Zavar from testifying against him. However, the victim's father's grief turned to fury as he addressed Okafor directly, sparking a fiery response from the convict.
Right, I've run out of adjectives. I don't know what to say to this man anymore. But today will be the last time that I will get to see him. But I will see you in 10 years.
Objection, Your Honor.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Galvar.
Is out of order. Now, please.
Please, sit in.
Let's take him outside for just a moment. Mr. Ashton.
Order was finally restored, and Okafor was sentenced to death. Yet, due to recent changes in Florida law, the certainty of this punishment now hangs in the balance. This is Ruby Franke, a mother of 6 and once a renowned YouTube influencer known for her strict parenting, now faces 6 counts of aggravated child abuse.
6 aggravated abuse, a second-degree felony.
With my deepest regret and sorrow for my family and my children, guilty.
Ruby Franke had previously gained fame for her no-nonsense approach to parenting. However, her strict rules came under scrutiny after her emaciated son appeared at a neighbor's door, revealing the disturbing reality of her home life. Franke, claiming her ex-partner influenced her actions, now faces severe consequences for what happened behind closed doors. This is Leticia Gonzalez, who stands charged with the tragic deaths of her 3 sons after driving into an ice-covered pond while under the influence. Gonzalez's defense argued that she is already serving a life sentence.
Thank you, Your Honor. This is People of the State of Michigan versus Leticia Gonzalez, case number 23-45792FH. Today is the date and time scheduled for sentencing. I have provided the notice of appellate rights to opposing counsel. I do believe that there's corrections that are made to the scoring of the guidelines and potential pre-sentence investigation report.
Right, so let's go over these from the top. On the PRVs, PRV 1 is 0, PRV 2 is 0, 3 is 0, PRV 4 is 0, PRV 5 is 10, 6 is 0, 7 is 0. So a total of 10 points based upon 3 misdemeanor convictions, and puts her in the C category. Is that correct, Mr. Tubergen?
That's correct.
Is that correct, counsel?
I believe that the criminal history as reported counts 4 misdemeanors, but would still stay at 10 points, so that would be correct. I would note this is the 3rd case I would have in this case. This is the first iteration where it contains these additional convictions. So long as those convictions are accurate, then yes, the scoring is accurate.
For whatever reason, there were some convictions that are on the local system here on the AS400 that were not included, and they have now been included, so that's where they came from. On the OVs, OV3 is at 50, OV9 is at 10, 17 is at 5, and 18 is at 10. Mr. Tubergen, is that what you're advocating for?
That's what I'm advocating, Your Honor. In addition, OV13 is currently scored 25. The people believe it should be scored 0.
So 75 points on the OVs, what's the defense's position?
That's correct, Your Honor. A total of 75 points in offense variables. Corrected. The court did correctly state which point values are correct there.
Okay.
That brings the OB to an OB level 6, and the guideline range then to 12 to 24 months.
All right. Elocution? Or, yes, go ahead.
Your Honor, one addition, if I may.
Sure.
Page 9 under medical history, I believe that was made known to the...
Grieving her lost children. But the prosecution contended that Gonzalez's actions were reckless, asking the court to impose a just punishment. Sentenced to 1 year in local incarceration, Gonzalez's pain is an echo of the terrible cost of substance abuse.